Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a few thoughts about the upcoming 2024 U.S. presidential election and its impact on gold prices. These are very personal reflections, like the musings of a trader who has spent years navigating this market. The U.S. presidential election is always a major event with significant impacts on financial markets, and gold is no exception. This year's race between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump is intensifying by the day. I don't know about you, but for me, this uncertainty always brings a bit of anxiety. It's not a negative kind of anxiety, more like excitement, because during times like this, gold often becomes the safe haven that people turn to. Do you remember what happened during the 2016 election? When Donald Trump won, gold prices surged. I remember very clearly staying up all night, glued to the screen, watching gold prices fluctuate nonstop. It was then that I truly understood that any uncertainty in U.S. politics creates opportunities for the gold market. And I think this year will be no different. If Kamala Harris wins, I believe her progressive economic policies, such as higher taxes for the wealthy, will push many people toward gold. The wealthy always want to protect their assets against policy changes, and gold is the #1 choice in such situations. Conversely, if Donald Trump is re-elected, we might see increased geopolitical tensions, especially with China. And as a rule, when tensions rise, gold prices tend to rise as well. I've also read predictions from experts that gold could surpass $3,000 per ounce by the end of 2024. Sounds crazy, right? But when I look back at history, I see that every time there's major turmoil, gold shows its true potential. Just like during the COVID-19 pandemic, when all other markets were reeling, gold held firm and even climbed higher. This makes me even more confident in the value of gold amid uncertainty. Have you ever wondered why gold becomes a safe haven for investors? To me, gold is like a loyal friend, always there when everything else seems uncertain. When you don't know who the next president will be, when you're unsure about upcoming economic policies, gold provides a sense of security. It's not just a precious metal. It's an assurance for our wealth amid the storms of change. We may not yet know who will win this election, but one thing I am certain of: gold will continue to play an important role in many investment portfolios, including mine and perhaps yours too. Whether Kamala Harris or Donald Trump takes office, gold is still where I turn whenever the market feels unstable. And perhaps the important thing is not who becomes president, but how we react to the changes that follow. What do you think? Will gold continue to climb as predicted? Please share your thoughts with me. I always enjoy hearing different perspectives from everyone. And if you're considering investing in gold, always remember that this market is not for the impatient. It requires calm, a long-term strategy, and most importantly, a heart strong enough to weather the coming volatility. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to sharing more reflections with you next time.